Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Michelle Iqbal and I am your science teacher of level 3. Today we will start unit number 6 materials. Open your book and come to page number 53 materials. In our daily life we use many materials. The building we live, the clothes we wear, the furniture we use in our daily life, and the transport, they are made up of different materials. Okay, the buildings we live, like our building, it is made up of cement and bricks. The cement and bricks, they are kind of a material. The clothes we wear, like fabric. Okay, fabric is a type of material. The furniture is made up of wood. Okay, and wood, it is a type of material. And transport, they are made up of different materials. So some materials, they are natural and some are man-made materials. Okay, natural materials are those materials which are present in our environment. Okay, like wood. And man-made materials are those materials which are made by men. Types of materials. Some materials that we use in our daily life, they come from wood, metal, paper, fabric and plastic. Now, properties of materials. Materials may be transparent materials or opaque materials, waterproof and absorbent materials, magnetic and non-magnetic materials, flexible and rigid, and conductors or insulators. Now, transparent and opaque materials. Transparent materials are those materials which allow the light to pass through it, like glass. In this diagram, you see the material which allow the light to pass through them. They are known as transparent materials, okay, like glass. And opaque materials are those materials which do not allow the light to pass through it, like wood, like rubber. From the this is the door, okay, and this is made up of wood, so it cannot allow the light to pass easily. So these materials are known as opaque materials. They block the light. Okay, now waterproof and absorbent material. Waterproof, they do not soak up the water like gloves. Waterproof material, they do not absorb the water like gloves, they do not absorb the water. Like umbrella, it does not absorb the water. Absorbent materials, these materials, they absorb the water, like sponge. Okay, sponge, it absorbs the water. Magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are those materials like iron and some kind of steel are attracted to magnets. So those materials like steel which are attracted towards magnet, they are known as magnetic materials. And non-magnetic materials are those materials which are not attracted to the magnet, like paper. In this diagram, you will see like needle, bottle opener, screw, scissor, paper clip. They are magnetic materials. Okay, they are attracted towards magnet. But glass, wool, leaf, eraser and paper, they are non-magnetic materials and they are not attracted towards the magnet. Now, flexible and rigid materials. Flexible materials are those materials which are easy to bend, like cloth and paper. Okay, we can easily bend them. Rigid materials are those materials, they cannot be bent easily, like glass and concrete. Okay, we cannot easily break them. Okay, now conductors and insulators. Conductors. Some materials like metal, they are good conductors of heat. This means heat can travel through them easily. Okay, those materials which allow the heat to pass easily through them, they are known as conductors. Okay, like metal. आप अपने घरों में देखते हैं कि हम जब मेटल के सॉस पैन को यूज करते हैं तो मेटल वो जल्दी गर्म हो जाता है. ओके, क्यों? बिकॉज इट अलाउज द हीट. बट इंसुलेटर, दे आर दोज मटेरियल्स दैट डू नॉट अलाउ द हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, लाइक वुड. ओके, वुड जो है वो इतनी इजीली हीट को और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को पास नहीं कर सकता. सो आपके पास वुड इज इंसुलेटर एंड दे आर बैड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Now, kinds of materials. Materials, they are of different kinds. They can be natural and they may be man-made materials. Natural materials are those materials which are present in our environment, like wood, metals, rocks, plants, and forests. But man-made materials are those materials which are made by man, like plastic and paper. Okay, in this diagram you will see there are some natural materials like wood, like plant, like leather, like rock. Okay, so these are natural materials, but man-made materials are those materials which are made by man, like plastic. You will see plastic bottles, glass, this paper. Okay, so these are man-made materials. Now paper it is a man-made material, but it is made from wood, which is a natural material. Okay, paper is a man-made material, it is made by man. Okay, but how the paper is made? It is made from wood. So wood is a natural material. Uses of paper is it can burn easily, and it is used for writing and printing. Metals. Metal come from rock called ores. What are ores? It is the type of rock and they contain metals. So the metals, they are strong, hard and shiny and can be hammered or molded into different shapes without breaking. Okay, आप अपने देखो होगा in your home you will see metals की we use saucepan. Okay, they are made up of metal. आपके घर में spoons होंगी, forks होंगे, they are also made up of metal. They cannot be breakable. Okay, इनको हम easily break नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so their uses are they are used for making cutlery, saucepan and coins. Plastic. Plastic are man-made materials and they are made from different chemicals. Okay, plastic is a man-made material and they are made from different kinds of chemicals. They are strong and waterproof. Okay, they do not absorb the water. Many plastic can be transparent. It means it allows light to pass through them. They are not magnetic and do not conduct heat and electricity. They are not attracted towards the magnet. So uses of plastic are they are used to make plastic bags, plastic bottles and toys. Okay, you will see in the diagram these are some plastic bottles, these are some plastic toys. Glass it is made by melting sand and it is mainly transparent. In your windows you see there is a glass, so you can easily see them. Okay, आप in windows से इनकी glass से आप बाहर देख सकते हैं. Thick glass can strong but thin glass can break easily. Okay, thick glass जो होता है आपके पास वो strong होता है and thin glass को हम easily break कर सकते हैं. Now uses are it is used in making spectacles and windows. Fibers. Fibers are long, thick threads of materials. Fiber is also a type of material. They are not very strong, but when they spun together, they can change into thread or rope. Okay, these fibers they are not very strong, but when it is converted into a rope, so it becomes strong. So these threads they can be used in fabric or cloth, and these fibers they are used in our clothes. Okay. Now, what is your homework? You can do exercise question number 1, 2 and 3 on your book, page number 59. Learn question answer and do fun pages on your book. Question number 1 plus 3, page number 61 and 62. And question number 2, it's part number 1 and 2 on your book, page number 61 and 62. Thank you.